In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a website with durable AI in minutes. If you want a professional site up and running fast, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to go from a blank slate to a polished, published website without writing a single line of code. First, access the builder. Head to the Durable AI website and look for the button that says Generate Your Website. To make it easy, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description, so you can click that and follow along in a new tab while we go. Next, define your business. You'll answer 3 quick questions: your type of business, your location, and your business name. For the business type, be as specific as you can: coaching, plumbing, photography, or whatever best describes what you do. Location helps durable tailor content and SEO to your market. And for the business name, use the name you want customers to see. You can change it later if you need to refine your branding. Now click Generate and let the AI do the heavy lifting. In roughly 30 seconds, Durable builds a complete site for you, including a homepage, suggested copy, relevant images, calls to action, and a basic structure that makes sense for your industry. Think of this as a smart starting point that you can then shape to match your brand. Time to customize. Use the editing tools to swap images, adjust fonts, tweak colors, and refine the layout. No coding required. Replace stock visuals with your own photos for authenticity. Choose fonts that match your brand voice. And apply your color palette consistently across buttons, headings, and backgrounds. If something doesn't fit, move sections around or remove them entirely to keep things clean and focused. Add functionality where it matters. Create essential pages like About Us or Services so visitors can quickly understand who you are and what you offer. Integrate lead forms to capture inquiries right from your site. Keep them short and clear to boost submissions. Durable's built-in CRM will help you track those leads and follow up efficiently. Before you publish, preview the site on desktop, tablet, and mobile to make sure everything looks great and is easy to navigate. When you're happy, click Publish. You can go live on a custom domain you own, or use a free Durable domain to get online immediately and switch later. Durable's key advantages are speed, AI-powered editing that can regenerate sections or the entire site when you need fresh ideas, and built-in tools like SEO optimization and analytics to help you grow. That's it. You've generated, customized, and published a website in minutes. The link is at the top of the description. Check it out and start building today. Thanks for watching.